Welcome back to the channel, the Motorhome channel. So I just thought I'd do a quick video on safety, and mainly not so much safety but the power lead safety. So there are some certain things that you need to know when you're connecting the mains hookup cable to your motorhome. First things first, always unroll the whole lead. Do not leave it coiled up on the reel, because if it's drawing a lot of power it can get hot, and if it gets hot it could catch fire, it could melt. Also, when you're using it, if you can, a really good safety tip is if you connect it to the motorhome, camper van, caravan, whatever first before you connect it to the site point. That way then you're not plugging it in with it all with power already in it. So it's just a little safety tip just to say, look, you know, these safety hints that I'm going to start doing are all to try and help everyone. You know, the season is starting, we're planning our next trip, we're off to Spain and Portugal hopefully in September. I will be putting all of that on here to show you. So I just thought I'd do a couple of videos on some tips and tricks that we use when we're travelling to Europe, and show you a few things that you might not already know. So this is also for the newbies and anybody else out there that doesn't know this. Thanks a lot, and you know me, I'll see you all in the next one. Ta-ra!
Jack, what's that? What's that?